Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to scan QR codes on your Android phone. First, open the camera app on your Android phone. Next, point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the entire QR code is visible inside the camera frame and keep your phone steady for a moment. Your phone should automatically recognize the QR code and display a notification or link on the screen. Tap the notification to open the information, website, or service connected to the QR code. If your camera doesn't automatically recognize QR codes, open the camera settings and look for an option such as Scan QR Codes, QR Code Scanner, or Google Lens. Turn the feature on if it's available. You can also use Google Lens to scan a QR code. Open the Google app, tap the Google Lens icon, and point your camera at the QR code. Once the code is detected, tap the link or information that appears on the screen. If you're scanning a QR code from a saved image or screenshot, open Google Photos, select the image, and tap the Google Lens icon. Lens can detect the QR code and provide the available link or information. Before opening a QR code link, always check the website address carefully, especially if the code came from an unknown source. That's all. You've successfully learned how to scan QR codes on your Android phone. Happy watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more.